Hey, everybody. Have you ever dreamed of having a career where you could travel the world and just head off to the islands on a moment's notice and just have that flexibility and freedom that you've always dreamed of? Well, if that's you, then I have a career that is right available to you for all of us. And a lot of people are doing it and having a great success. That's the business of professional speaking. Now, in addition to professional speaking, a lot of people do consulting, they write books, they do coaching programs and things like that. And that can allow you to work virtually and also travel. And then when you're getting booked as a speaker professionally, oftentimes you're getting to go to resorts in different areas of the country or world, and you can have a beautiful environment like this. So I wanted to talk to you about what does it take to be able to get to that level of where you're being booked by a speaker agent, and how do you do it? There's so many people that said, "Oh, if you'll just book me," and I'm like, just a minute. It takes a little time to be able to get there. You have to be packaged as a speaker. And as a former celebrity lecture agent, I've worked with a lot of people to get to the level of where they can hire an agent or a marketing professional. And then when you get to the place where you're actually making money at it, to market yourself to booking agents or bureaus, speaker bureaus, so they can potentially squeeze you in and start to book you. But you have to be packaged. And the biggest things that you need is a website. You need a sizzle reel showing you on video and what you're like in front of a camera or in front of an audience. And then you need your topic and titles and things like that. So basically your bio, your references, your sizzle reel, and a website. And that's what the meeting planner needs to be able to get to you. Now, there are some nuances about that, your personal brand, things like that. I have a PDF that I'd love to share with you. If you're interested, you could ask for a quick download. This is called The Checklist for Thought Leaders Before Attracting or Hiring a Booking Agent or a Manager. And there's a difference between booking agents and managers. There's also marketing professionals that can help. So it's a whole list of different items. There's a checklist for you: developing your brand, define your niche, your expertise, create your value proposition, develop your speaking topics. So as you can see, there's 10 different issues here: collect testimonials, video testimonials, enhance your skills, invest in public speaking training. So it'll basically give you how to do all of that. This is an extensive PDF that we created and wrote, and it has all the different areas of your speaker reel, how to do that, how to produce it, what does it look like, how long should it be, tips for hiring a videographer. Let's see, it's, just a whole bunch of things. You can schedule a call with me to go over if you're interested, to do a quick assessment on your career or what you need. But if you have that dream of one day having an agent call you up every couple of times a month or more and saying, "I have a gig for you. Here's the price. Here's the date. We'll take care of all the expenses and scoot you out the door, send you your flights, and get you to your accommodation, beautiful accommodation, so you can go and speak and accomplish your dreams." All right, guys, hope this is helpful. Download the PDF and get your informational tips on how to get out there to get a booking agent to book you as a speaker. All right, guys, thanks, and stay inspired. Take care. Bye-bye.